Hi friends, Rick Bray with the Plick team at Broomtauga Bosies with a quick tip on Zoom calls. Now, we've seen in another video, and yep, there's the card, how you can share your screen like I'm doing now on a Zoom call. And one of the options is to send the computer audio. So in some trainings that I've done, I've talked about how sometimes you want to share the audio, sometimes you don't. So in those cases, maybe you'll share and unshare your screen to check that little box. Well, it turns out, and this may not be new, I just noticed it, but when you're in the share screen mode like I am now on the Zoom call, when I click on more, here's the option to share computer sound. So I can just check that and I can see with this little speaker that I'm now sharing the computer sound. So if I were to play an audio file or a video file, something like that, my participants could hear that. To stop that, I just click on more again and uncheck share sound. And now they don't hear it. So maybe my email ding won't go off. So there you go. Quick tip. Again, may not be new to you. I just found it, so I thought I'd share. And as you can probably see by looking at it, I am on a Mac, so I assume the window controls would be similar, like Windows machines, but Chromebooks might be a little different, right? Because as always, your mileage may vary. But there you go. Hope it was helpful. And as always, thanks for watching.